Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is limit. We have the limit and x approach to 0, 50x cosine x minus 50 sine x over x multiplied with sine x to the power of 2. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. If we put number 0 in here, we will get about 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital in here. So we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. Now we can get about we do about first the derivative of x, so you got about 50 cosine x. Later that we do first the derivative of cosine x is about negative 50x sine x. We do first the derivative of sine x, so you got about negative 50 cosine x. The next one, we do first the derivative of x, so we got about sine x to the power of 2. Later that we do first the derivative of sine x to the power of 2, so you got about 2x sine x cosine x. 50 cosine x minus 50 cosine x, we cancel together. Now we have sine x, and sine x. We simplify together. And now if we put the number 0 in here, we still got about 0 over 0. So we continue use about L hospital. So we do first the derivative of negative 50x and first the derivative of sine x plus 2x cosine x. So on the numerator you got about negative 50. About this one you will get about cosine x plus, we do first the derivative of x, so we got about 2 cosine x. Then we do first the derivative of cosine x, you got about negative 2x sine x. Cosine x plus 2 cosine x, you got about 3 cosine x. And now we put the number 0 in here and here, and so you can get the final answer. That's about negative 50 over 3. And this is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.